Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at Majestic Smiles, a dental clinic located in Majestic Gardens. Here's Javon Keys with the details.
From unpaid work to no work to owning this workplace, ambition was the fuel behind the Majestic Smiles Dental Clinic on the compound of Majestic Gardens Infant School and Learning Center. Founder and the primary dentist, Dr. Raechell-ann Barras, says the 1.5-year-old company provides a number of services.
We offer the full suite of dental services, from preventive services like cleanings and fillings and extractions. We do root canals, crowns, bridges, and something we're most excited about is Invisalign.
She says oral health is important to a person's overall well-being, but a trip to the dentist can be financially daunting. That's why their consultation is free.
One of the things that is really crippling to someone to seek oral health care is not knowing the price, assuming that it's going to be too expensive, not knowing how much they would pay, and afraid of embarrassment that when they actually get here, they don't have enough money. So we try to, as much as possible, minimize price ranges. If we're doing a cleaning, this is the cost of a cleaning. If you're taking out a tooth, that's the cost to take out a tooth. So, you could feel confident that, okay, no surprises is going to happen to me here. This is what I came for. This is my budget for today.
Raechell-ann says the clinic is more than just an oral health care facility.
What is good about Majestic Smiles Dental Clinic is that we are located in a facility that does a lot for the community. There's a basic school, a health center, a community center, a dental clinic, and we really do a lot of outreach programs through this facility. So actually persons in the area are really excited that we're here. They bring all their friends. Sometimes if someone is coming down the street looking lost, they're like, a dentist here go, she ride them and go on. And they're actually happy that there's more traffic in the community because all of the shops and stuff benefit from our patients stopping by and supporting as well.
The company opened its doors in the height of the pandemic and has experienced a number of challenges.
When we first started, the biggest challenge was having a stable flow of patients in and out. Some days we may have seen 2 patients, other days we may have seen 10. So it was really difficult to make investments back into the business because we didn't have a stable income. So with us growing and profits growing, we were able to hire more staff and have a better flow so we could better give the Majestic service that we used to.
But Dr. Barras explained that as normalcy returned, things started to improve.
During the pandemic, especially in September, it was one of our most difficult months. I think I cried a few days in that month because, new movement days and stuff. So that was like a peak low for us. So now, bringing it back to where we are now, I think we have maybe quadruple our earnings from September. So we're now in a stable place. We usually don't drop below a certain point now.
Next year, the clinic is expected to offer implant services and become a platinum services provider of Invisalign braces. For the Business Review, I'm Javon Keys.